Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to make this useless head massager.
Okay, now we're just going to go to the website and pay attention to this image over here. What this image tells us is that how a normal H bridge works. Now if you close switch 1, switch 2, switch 3 and switch 4, you will see that it makes a H while the motor is in the center. So that's how the name comes. Now when we connect the positive end of the battery to switch 1 and switch 3 and the negative to switch 2 and switch 4, what happens is randomly when we turn on these switches, so say I turn on switch 1 and switch 4, you see that the circuit is completed. Like this part of the circuit, it goes from here, the positive end, follow the mouse, like if the switch 1 is closed, it goes like this through the motor, then out through the switch 4. Now say switch 2 and switch 3 are closed, the same will happen. It will go like this. So when switch 1 and switch 4 are closed, it goes in clockwise, and when switch 3 and switch 2 are closed, it will go in anti-clockwise. Now we just use this principle in everything. Like say we're making a car or something, then we need to use this because car has to go forward, backward, everything. Now why do we use a H bridge? Because in an Arduino the logic levels are only from 0 to 5 volts, and it cannot handle motors of 12 volts. Now because we need to handle motors with higher voltages, we need to use a H bridge. So like there's a lot of information about the H bridge given on my website. Also there's code on my website. I'll still leave a link so you guys can go and check it out.
For my strength, it is little low strength one.
अंदर मतलब बाकी कौन है?
थोड़ा सा भी वाइब्रेशन नहीं है।
कोई एक पैर वाइब्रेट कोई है। क्योंकि भूख भूख ना मार जाए।